Cameron Martell from Watches You Can Afford, and I've got another Timex quartz on my wrist today. It is the Timex Waterbury Classic in cream, rose gold, and brown leather. Now, this is actually a viewer request. On one of my other videos, someone commented and was like, hey, can you check out the Waterbury Classic? And I was like, that's a good idea. So I emailed Timex and I was like, hey, can I check out the Waterbury Classic? And they were like, that's a good idea. And next thing you know, I had this Waterbury in my mailbox. Now, disclosure, I didn't pay for this one. It was provided free of charge. I like to think I'm still impartial. So let's have a look at what appears to be a very attractive $110 MSRP 36mm dress watch. A big part of what I appreciate about the Waterbury is Timex as a brand, which has a genuinely interesting and tumultuous history. Here's the 30-second recap. The Waterbury is more than just a watch to Timex. It's also the namesake of where the company was founded in Waterbury, Connecticut in 1854, originally named the Waterbury Clock Company. Their history is far-reaching and full of acquisitions, corporate mergers, corporate sell-offs, and industrious decision-making. But it wasn't until 1969 that the brand Timex as we know it today came to be, and it wasn't until the late 1980s that the company would refocus on consumer-level watches in the same capacity they do today. A result of that refocusing was an explosion of popularity in the late 1980s and early 1990s. Also contributing to their popularity was Indiglo, which Timex introduced in 1992. Indiglo is one of the best backlights available for any watch, and in the case of the Waterbury here, illuminates the entire dial completely. Thanks to Indiglo, the time is always easy to read any time of day or night. The leather strap is comfortable enough, and since the pin bars are quick release, it's easy to change the look of the Waterbury simply by swapping on a new strap. Quick release straps make the Waterbury very versatile, a quality I appreciate in any watch in my collection. The watch is also quite good looking, especially in this combination. Rose gold dresses it up nicely, but a big neutral dial lets you wear it with most outfits. The overall look is simple and classy, a combination Timex does consistently well. Thanks to its actually universally sized case at 36mm, the Waterbury Classic fits anybody's wrist. Ladies will likely find it to be the perfect size, and most men will appreciate its complementary but not too small presence on the wrist. In terms of value, you can routinely find the Waterbury for sale on Amazon for under $80, and at that price, owners are definitely getting their money's worth. Considering its versatility, smart design, and classic good looks, I'm confident in recommending the Waterbury Classic as a good value and great everyday watch. Timex is probably one of the best players in the affordable watch market, and it's rare that I find one of their watches that I don't appreciate. As always, thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and for more detail including high-resolution photos, check out the full review on WatchesYouCanAfford.com.